Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home utilities with Constellation Energy, full guide step by step clearly. Are you looking to save on your home utilities? Constellation Energy offers several options to help you reduce your monthly expenses. First, visit the Constellation Energy website to explore their services. Once there, locate the section dedicated to residential services. This area provides various products designed to help you manage your energy costs. Next, consider signing up for a fixed-rate energy plan. Fixed-rate plans protect you from fluctuating prices. After that, check if you qualify for any energy efficiency programs. These programs often offer incentives for reducing energy consumption. You can also schedule a home energy audit through Constellation. A professional can identify areas for improvement in your home. Following that, implement the recommendations from your energy audit. Simple changes, like sealing drafts and upgrading insulation, can yield significant savings. Additionally, consider enrolling in a demand response program. Such programs reward you for reducing electricity usage during peak times. Also, monitor your energy usage monthly through their online portal. Tracking patterns can help you identify wasteful habits. Next, take advantage of energy-saving tips provided on their blog. These tips can include ways to use appliances more efficiently. Upgrading to Energy Star-rated products can reduce your energy bill. Lastly, stay informed about any updates or new offers from Constellation Energy. They frequently update their services to help customers save even more. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your home utility costs with Constellation Energy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.